teach you how to use Keynote. The first thing you're going to want to do is open it up. So you could search up Keynote and it'll appear right here. You're going to want to click on it, and once you click on it, it'll give you these themes. You're going to choose which theme you want. So let's go with white. Then once you click the one that you want, you're going to go to the right bottom corner and click choose. Then it will open this up. Now, to add titles, you're going to want to double click on the text box and then type in what you want to type in. So let's type in how to Keynote. So now you could also change how it looks. You're going to want to highlight it and then go here where it'll show you the different types of text you could have. So let's have, and it'll change it. You could also change the colors. Let's change it to grape. Also, you could make it slanted, underlined, or bold, but it doesn't work with this type of writing. You could also change it how it is. You could put it like this, or like this, or like this. Also, you could change the color by here, and you could change the size. Right now it's at 80. We could also put it to 50. You're going to want to press the enter button, and here it is smaller. Now, to add text, we are going to add another slide. So we're going to want to click the blue button with the plus sign, and it says underneath add slide. So you're going to click on it and it'll give you these options. Let's go with blank for now. Now, it'll give you just blank space with no text box. So you're going to want to click on the text button up here with the capital T, and it'll give you this small box. Now, let's type in I love Keynote. And you could also make, just like the titles, you could make it bigger, smaller, and change the colors. Let's do this one. And you could also, again, change how it looks. If you have a different type of slide, like this one, it'll give you already these text box, and you could add the titles and the text without having to press the text button. Now, to add images, you're going to want to put them to your desktop, like I did. Then go to the certain page that you want to add them. Then just click on it and drag it. And then let it go, and it'll bring you to this. You can make the picture larger or smaller. You can also make the styles, which are like the edges. You can make it like this or like this. And you could also add the other one. There's no limit of how many images you could have, so you could just go crazy. Now, let's say that you think your background's kind of boring. So, don't worry, you can make it however you want. You're going to want to go to format, and you'll know you're on format because the image will be blue. Now, go to background here, and it'll tell you if you want color fill, grinding fill, advanced grinding fill, image fill, or advanced image fill. Let's go with grinding fill. Now, here I'll show you the colors that you want. Let's have this type of eggplant with yellow. There. Or you could do it with color fill, which is only one color. And it doesn't matter which background it is. You could do it to whichever you want. So let's do this one on bright fill with yellow on top and purple with the bottom. There. Now, let's say that you want your words to look cool when you start the presentation. Well, you could do that. just click on the text and go to the right top corner where it says Anime. Click on it and it'll bring you to this. First, it's going to build in, which is how it will appear. You're going to want to click on the blue button which says Add an Effect, and it'll show you this. You can preview how it will look. You're just going to hover over it and go to the right and it will say Preview. Click on it and it'll show you how it looks. Now let's do this anvil. Looks pretty cool. Once you find which one you want, click on it and it'll bring you to this. You could change how long it is and preview it. And also you can make a delivery, which doesn't really do nothing for here because it has no paragraphs. Also you can make an action, which is what it's doing while you're reading it or something. You could do bounce. You could put how many times you want it to bounce and how long. And you could do build out, which is how it will leave. Let's do crumble. And to preview how it will look, just press the play button and press your spacebar arrow keys. And here is how it will look. Now, you could also add music or sound effects that you have. You could click on media and click on music and it'll show you the music that you have. And you could click on it and here is the button. Make sure I have lower volume, and once you play it, there you go. Now, you can also add transitions. You're gonna wanna click, well, don't click nothing. Make sure you're not clicking text or anything. Then go to animate. And it will say no transition effect. So we're gonna click on the blue button and it'll show you all these different transitions that you have. Now, we could have a relieving door, a flop kind of transition, and colored planes. Let's have reflection. And you're gonna want to hover over it and click it like we did for the word effects. And you can also change how long it could be and from where it'll come from. Now, you could also add movies or videos. If you have a video that you want to add from photo booth, you could go to media, movies, click photo booth, and here will be all your movies, and you just click and drag it down. But if you have like a night movie, you could put it on your desktop, click on it and drag it, and here it will show. You can make it smaller or bigger, and if you click on format, you could put it how it will look. So I hope you learned a lot with this video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.